Welcome to the Learning Speaking English channel. Let me ask you something. Has this ever happened to you? You're listening to someone speak in English and you understand everything they are saying. But the moment you try to reply, your mind goes completely blank. It feels like the words are hiding somewhere deep inside your brain, but they refuse to come out when you need them the most. You stand there silently, while inside your head, you are screaming, I know the answer. I just can't say it. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. It happens to millions of learners. And today, I'm going to tell you why this happens and how you can finally break this barrier and start speaking confidently. Now listen carefully, because somewhere in this story, you will find your reason, the real reason you can't speak even though you understand. You see, when you spend years listening to English, watching videos, reading posts, listening to teachers, your brain becomes really good at understanding words. But speaking is something very different. Listening is passive. Speaking is active. It's just like watching people swim every day but never jumping into the water yourself. You may understand how swimming works, but you won't actually float until you move your own arms. That's exactly what's happening inside your mind. Your brain has all the words, but your mouth has never practiced saying them out loud. So when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. And then, something even stronger stops you, fear. Yes. That quiet little voice inside your head that says, what if I make mistakes? What if they laugh at me? What if I sound silly? This fear is like a lock on your tongue. Even if the words are ready inside your mind, fear keeps them trapped. And slowly, your brain learns this pattern, but silence will never teach you to speak. To speak, you have to break this fear. You have to give yourself permission to make mistakes, real, messy, funny mistakes. Because guess what? Everyone makes mistakes when they start. Even babies do. Even I did. And that's how we all learn. But there's another hidden reason you never noticed. You are still thinking in your native language. Every time you want to speak, your brain builds the sentence in your language first. Then tries to translate it into English. And by the time the sentence is ready, the moment has already passed. This is why speaking feels so slow and stressful. The only way to change this is to start thinking directly in English. Not just when you sit down to study, but all through your day. When you open the door, whisper to yourself, I am opening the door. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see. Describe what you feel. It may feel strange at first, but soon, English will become the natural language inside your mind. And when your thoughts are in English, your words will flow like water. Now let me share something very simple, but very powerful. A tiny daily plan that can change everything for you. Every day, listen to English for 10 minutes. Then, speak for 5 minutes. Talk to a mirror, record your voice, or repeat after a video, but move your mouth. And finally, learn just 3 new words and use them in your own sentences. That's it. 10 minutes of listening. 5 minutes of speaking. 3 new words. If you follow this for even 30 days, you will be shocked at how easily words start coming out of your mouth. And if you want to make your progress even faster, find a speaking partner. It could be your friend, your brother, your sister, anyone. When you speak to a real person, your brain becomes alert, your tongue becomes confident, and your fear starts melting away. Even 10 minutes of real conversation a day can change your fluency forever. So now you know the truth. You don't speak because your brain is stuck in the habit of silence. Because fear locks your words. Because you never practiced saying them. and because you are still thinking in your native language. But you also know this. You can break this barrier. Step by step. Word by word. And one day, you will open your mouth, and English will simply flow out. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to the Learning Speaking English channel. And always remember, your voice matters. So speak it out loud.